Hi guys! So amazing to have you here. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I love you! And here are the ingredients, guys. I have here black or white pepper, salt, cumin, sugar, flour. So maybe 1 teaspoon of white pepper, salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and cumin, and mozzarella. So it should be yogurt, guys, since it's not available. So I replace it with cream. And have here boiled potatoes. So we are going to smash it later. And then here are the eggplant. I put plastic so hindi siya madaling malanta. Then bell peppers. So yung mga ingredients natin, guys, i-adjust natin. It depends on our taste. Then let's just mix it all together in our chicken breast. Then I mix it in our chicken breast. So just pinch of salt and black pepper and cumin. So i-adjust lang natin yung lasa niya. Then the rest of the condiments, we're going to put it in our white sauce. So let's just make it sure to mix it in our chicken. Then I'm going to put the cream. So it's better po talaga na yogurt. But since it's not available in our kitchen, I used cream. And after mixing it, let's just set aside and smash the potatoes. So dapat smash siyang mabuti. And then again, I'm going to put pinch of salt, white pepper. So wag natin dadamihan kasi yung the rest kanina na chicken is meron ng mga spices. So meron siyang cumin and mix it all together. So sana potatoes may taga together. Samantalang ako wala. Panis. So I'm going to put also cooked cream o cream cheese sa ating potato. So enough po yung 2 tablespoon. So kung ayaw nyo siyang lagyan ng cream, it's okay. Pero mas masarap siya kung meron siyang cream cheese. So pwede rin ang mayonnaise. And now we are going to cook our chicken. So let's cook it low heat kasi yung cream is magbubuo. So let's just cook it about 10 minutes. Kasi iluluto pa natin siya sa oven. And when it's cooked, let's just set aside our chicken and let's fry our eggplant. So just fry it until it turns to golden brown. So while we are frying our eggplant, let's start with our white sauce. So let's start by low heat so that our butter will not get burned. And after it's melted, let's just gradually put our flour. So I prepared a half cup of flour for 200 grams of butter. Pero it depends po to you guys kung gusto niyo ng malabnaw or masyadong malapot. So I prepared not too much malapot yung sauce. And this, let's just gradually put also our milk. And for the milk guys, I used like 2 cups of milk para sa 200 gram ng butter and half cup of flour. So that's enough para sa gusto kong lapot ng white sauce. Then I'm going to put now our white pepper, salt, and sugar. And actually guys, pag lumamig yung ating white sauce, mas malapot siya. Pero pwede nyo siyang i-adjust by adding milk, hot milk, or hot water. Then this is our eggplant. It's golden brown, crispy. Then make sure na i-take out natin yung oil niya para hindi masyadong oily ang ating chicken curry. And then now we are ready to bake. So let's put first our mashed potato. So, i-wet natin ng konti yung ating spoon para hindi dumikit. Wet talaga. Spread it equally or evenly. And here, we're going to put our chicken. By the way guys, kung bago kayo sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga future uploads ko. And I am inviting you also guys. I'm doing live streaming, so please check it out. Then let's put some white sauce on the top of our chicken. Then I put the eggplant. So I didn't put too much eggplant kasi aapaw na sa ating tray. And after this also on the top is our white sauce again. And our bell peppers, mas maganda sana kung meron tayong green bell peppers, but still also not available in our kitchen. And lastly, we're going to put our mozzarella cheese. and bake it in 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes or until it turns to golden brown. And here we go, guys. This is now our creamy chicken with eggplant. So it's best for dinner. Sa mga nagda-diet din, pwede nyo itong try, guys. Here we go, guys. Happy dinner to all of us. So this is the dinner of my employer tonight. So guys, hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much and God bless us all. Masalama.